we had Mumbai. Shall we start? Welcome to all of you. Friends, today we had Mumbai Regional Congress Committee's Screening and Strategy Committee meeting. Meeting went on for about 15 minutes or so. We did discuss some very important issues. We have discussed about the preparations of elections of the corporation. We have also discussed about the programs that we should launch. We have also discussed about how soon the manifesto is to be prepared. All those issues we have discussed, and the committee has unanimously decided on 28th December, that is Congress Foundation Day. And the committee also decided to invite Honorable President of the Congress Party, Sonia Gandhi ji, and our leader, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji. Both will be invited to the rally, and 28th being the Congress Foundation Day, Mumbai Regional Congress will make that a big program, and we will be launching our other several important programs looking at when the elections will be, and also other programs that are to be launched on that particular day of 28th December. The strategy committee, in view of paucity of time, we have decided that we will be meeting again on in third week of August. The continued meeting will be held on 23rd of August.
Any discussion on alliance with other parties?
That did not figure today because we have yet to make some study and a lot of discussion is to take place. That did not figure today.
Any reason why the Shivaji Park location has been chosen? It's known to be Shiv Sena's term.
We have done it in the past.
See, everyone in the meeting were of the opinion that we should hold that meeting in Shivaji Park. That's a historical ground, and the historical days rally should be held in a historical place only, no?
पटेल साहब, आज एमएनएस के लीडर्स को बीजेपी के लीडर्स मिले चंद्रकांत पाटिल, अलायंस को लेकर दोनों ने संकेत दिए हैं, तो क्या कांग्रेस अभी भी अकेले लड़ने पर कायम है या फिर आने वाले दिनों में कुछ चेंजेस भी हो सकता है, कुछ अलायंस को लेकर भी बात हो सकती है?
Will you please repeat your question?
राज ठाकरे और चंद्रकांत पाटिल बीजेपी के लीडर्स आज मिले हैं, दोनों ने भविष्य में संकेत दिए हैं कि दोनों पार्टी एक साथ आ सकती है, तो ऐसे में कांग्रेस अकेले लड़ने के लिए सक्षम है या फिर आने वाले दिनों में कुछ रणनीतिक बदलाव होगा या अलायंस को लेकर कुछ चर्चा भी होगी
नहीं।
शिवसेना और अन्य पार्टी के साथ?
I don't want to react to that meeting, but the views of Shiv Sena are known by the utterances, statements made by Uddhav Thackeray himself. That's why the impression that you have gathered may not be right, but however, I don't want to make any comment on that at present.
मेरे सर सवाल है कि क्या आपको लगता है कि कांग्रेस फिर भी अकेले चुनाव लड़ने को तैयार है कि अभी भी, क्योंकि उनसे बीजेपी एक साथ आने को तैयार नहीं दिखाई पड़ रही है, तो अभी भी आप अकेले चलेंगे अकेले चुनाव महाराष्ट्र में?
See, I have already told, the MPCC president has made it known to you, MRCC president has made it known to you. As regards local body elections are concerned, we are planning to go for fighting alone, looking at the recommendations and decisions of the local units, like Jilla Panchayats. In Jilla Panchayats, we may take views of the District Congress Committee. In Mumbai Congress committees, Mumbai Corporation, will go by the recommendations of Mumbai Regional Congress. There is nothing like right now any deviation from the position we have taken earlier.
There was one question, sir. There is this renaming of the Khel Ratna award that has been done today. Your views on that, sir?
I am extremely shocked to know Government of India has taken a decision to change the name of Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi is one who contributed so greatly to the sports of the country. Khel Ratna Puraskar, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Puraskar, the changing name itself occurs to anybody that there is a political motive. It is unfortunate. We can have one more Ratna. We can have some Vajra, diamond, and name it on the name of very eminent people like Ganchand, etc. But changing the name of Rajiv Gandhi is totally politically motivated, and it is unfortunate that this type of silly minds will not be appreciated by Indians. And thirdly, I would like to make mention to you that the AICC appreciates the efforts being made by Maharashtra Pradesh Congress Committee and Mumbai Regional Congress Committee to give their best and contribute to the coastal area, Konkan area in all respects. In kinds they have gone and assisted. Both the presidents have camped there and saw to it that the relief measures are well attended. They have taken it up with the government, they have taken it up with our ministers, and we appreciate both the MPCC and MRCC's efforts in this difficult times of Konkan area people.
कोंकण फ्लड के बारे में क्या कांग्रेस की भूमिका है?
कांग्रेस की भूमिका ये है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया शुड रश टू महाराष्ट्र to help. Where is the help coming? Even NDRF money is not being released to Maharashtra. We urge that Government of India should come. Where is our Prime Minister? Where is our Home Minister? Where is the Finance Minister? Should they not come and visit? Is this the responsibility? This is nothing but the carelessness of Government of India. I would urge, the Congress urges that more assistance be given to Maharashtra.